Hello. Welcome to the Learn American English channel where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. In this video, we are going to listen to conversations at the pet store. This video is divided into two parts where the characters will talk about adopting and taking care of a pet. There will be a listening comprehension quiz at the end of each scene. So listen carefully and see if you get all of the questions right. Also, be sure to stay with us until the end of the video. We'll point out important words from the conversations, everyday slang, and the most common way to say things in English. Watch for these words and phrases in the subtitles. You'll find their meanings in the vocabulary section in the last part of the video. Are you excited? This should be fun. First, let's listen to a conversation between Enzo and Molly as Enzo assists Molly in adopting a pet. Let's see how their conversation goes, and don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video. Let's dive in.
Hello, welcome to Paws and Tails Pet Emporium. My name's Enzo. How can I assist you today?
Hi, Enzo. Thanks for having me. I'm Molly. I'm looking to find a new friend for my bulldog at home. I think he could use some company.
It's wonderful to meet you, Molly. Bulldogs are fantastic dogs. What's your bulldog's name?
His name is Max. He's a bit shy when meeting new people, but once he gets comfortable, he's super friendly and loves attention.
Max sounds like a real sweetheart. Is he more of a relaxed couch potato type, or does he like to get a bit of exercise and play?
He's definitely more on the laid-back side. He enjoys short walks around the block, but prefers to lounge on the couch afterward for a nap.
That makes sense. With Max's calm nature, we can find a great match for him. Are you thinking of getting another dog that's also calm? Or would you prefer a more energetic one to help bring him out of his shell?
I think a calm companion would be the best choice. I don't want to overwhelm him, especially with him being a little shy at first.
Absolutely, that's a smart approach. We do have a few pets that would fit that description. Let me show you this lovely toy poodle. She's super friendly, loves to cuddle, and is pretty laid back, so she could be just what Max needs. She's a real gem.
Oh, she's adorable. What's her personality like? Is she good with other dogs?
She's very gentle and affectionate, and she gets along great with other dogs. She's easygoing and doesn't have an overly energetic temperament, which should make her a perfect companion for Max. She's also pretty easy to care for.
She sounds like a great match for Max. What would be the next step if I want to adopt her?
I'm so glad you think she might be a good fit. The next step is filling out some paperwork to get the adoption process started. I'll get everything ready for you. While I do that, feel free to explore our pet supplies section.
Thank you so much, Enzo. I really appreciate all your help. I think Max will love her. I'm excited to bring her home.
It's truly my pleasure, Molly. And if you ever have any questions or need advice on how to introduce them, don't hesitate to reach out.
Thanks again, Enzo. You've made this whole process so much easier, and I can't wait to see how Max and his new friend get along.
You're very welcome, Molly. It was great helping you today. Good luck with the adoption and enjoy your time here.
Here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Enzo and Molly. What is the name of Molly's bulldog? Molly's bulldog's name is Max. Is Max shy when meeting new people? Yes, Max is shy when meeting new people. What type of dog does Molly want to adopt for Max? Molly wants to adopt a calm dog for Max. So, did you get all the questions correct? Let us know in the comment section. Now let's continue listening to a conversation between Enzo and Molly as Enzo guides Molly in taking care of the pets. Let's see how their conversation goes. And don't forget to note the highlighted words for their meanings at the end of this video. Let's begin.
I've decided to name the toy poodle Bubbles. I think it suits her perfectly.
What a perfect name. Bubbles will definitely fit right in with your family. Now, before you head out, there's one thing we should talk about: vaccinations.
Vaccinations for pets? I didn't realize they needed those.
Yep, just like humans, pets need their shots too. It's really important for keeping them healthy and protected from all sorts of nasty bugs. I'd recommend booking a vet appointment soon to get the ball rolling.
I totally hadn't thought about that. Thanks for the heads up. I'll make sure to get on that.
It's a big part of making sure your new best friend has a long and healthy life. The vet can walk you through all the necessary shots and offer some general care advice.
I appreciate the reminder, Enzo. I want to make sure Bubbles is as happy as a clam.
You got it, Molly. If you need any vet recommendations or have more questions down the road, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy all the puppy snuggles.
You know, you're right. I completely forgot that Max, my bulldog, needs his vaccinations too. I'll make sure to book him in as well.
You're really on top of it. Keeping their health in check is half the battle, and vaccinations are key to keeping them in tip-top shape.
Thanks for the nudge. I'll book both Max and Bubbles in for their checkups.
Anytime, Molly. Oh, and before you take off, I wanted to let you know that we also offer grooming services. If you'd like, we can get Bubbles all cleaned up and looking sharp before she heads home.
That sounds like a great idea. Bubbles could really use a nice bath. How does it work?
We've got professional groomers here who will take care of everything. Bath, nail trim, the works. It's not just about looking good, but it also helps with her health and well-being.
That sounds awesome. Let's book a grooming session for Bubbles.
Great choice. I'll check the schedule and get everything sorted for you. You just drop Bubbles off at the time, and we'll make sure she gets the full VIP treatment.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Enzo. I really appreciate it.
Anytime, Molly. We're here to make sure all the pets leave feeling their best. I'll have the grooming details ready for you in no time.
Before we review the key vocabulary from these conversations, here are some listening comprehension questions to see how well you understood the conversation between Enzo and Molly. What is Molly's new puppy's name? Molly's new puppy's name is Bubbles. Why does Enzo suggest Molly book a vet appointment? Enzo suggests booking a vet appointment for vaccinations to keep Bubbles healthy. What service does Enzo offer for Bubbles before she goes home? Enzo offers grooming services for Bubbles. So, how many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments section. Now let's review the vocabulary from these conversations. First, we'll review some of the natural-sounding everyday phrases used by native English speakers. Watch the video again after you study the vocabulary words to learn them even better and subscribe to see our other videos. Laid back, relaxed and easygoing, not easily upset or stressed. Bring out someone's shell. To help someone become more outgoing or confident, especially if they are shy or reserved. Happy as a clam, extremely happy or content. In tip-top shape. In excellent condition or health. Nudge. A gentle push or reminder to do something. Now let's review other key vocabulary. Couch potato. A person or animal who prefers to sit on the couch and be inactive, often watching TV or relaxing. Overwhelm. To feel too much emotion or stress from something, often because it's too much to handle at once. Adopt. To take in a pet or animal to live with you, legally making them part of your family. Snuggles. Gentle and affectionate hugs, often with pets. Grooming. The process of cleaning and caring for a pet's fur, nails, and overall appearance. Were the conversations relatable? Try using these conversations with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the Learn American English channel, where you learn naturally so you can speak naturally. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.